What's doing there, Shawn?
Well, we are preparing to install Holly's awesome new fog lights that she got for Christmas.
Woo!
Gotta give some more love to the soul. Yeah. So, shouldn't be too bad. Can't really see, I don't have any light, but I'm gonna wire this in special way.
Walter's just lurking behind you.
Hey, Walter. Causing trouble. Should, in theory, come out. Flippy doos.
Oh,
Flippy
oh, oh. Losing parts.
No, it was just some gravel.
Oh.
Got three little screws.
Check out our new hoodie.
Yeah, pretty awesome. They're available for purchase.
They are available for purchase. Performance Racing. That's Shawn's little S10 right there. Woo!
Heck yeah, it's famous. Oh man, get
Oh, you got it all dirty.
Can't keep it nice forever, huh? So we're gonna have to get some more made up here before too long.
We also have the Performance Off-Road line.
Yeah. Wow.
Shawn's Jeep.
Yeah, next one we're doing some U-joints. Banging out of the drive shaft.
Our favorite.
What?
Not only are they fun to order, they're fun to do.
I always like doing them. They're not bad. Man, about to be a hole.
There's just a little panel back there. You unscrew it, and
Yeah, Holly watched the video.
I did watch the video.
So I'm just going at it blind. No idea what I'm doing.
And it's out.
Look out, look out, look out.
There it is.
So if anybody's wanting to get rid of their fog lights, we got these cool delete panels for sale. I think I'm gonna get rid of my fog lights, man.
I don't like them.
You're lame, man. That's
The Kia gave us a scare this morning. We got off the freeway and it was chugging. We didn't know what was going on with it, and it scared me. I thought, oh gosh, this is it. It's the end of her. But it's probably just a purge valve.
wow.
We're gonna hope and pray.
Put a little tape on here to protect the lens. This side I got the washer pumping away. I don't want to scratch it. These are actual genuine Hyundai Kia parts, so they weren't the cheapest thing, but I know the fitment's going to be right. I don't like a lot of aftermarket fitment. They just annoy you.
Got to get around the washer bottle.
Yeah, this might be a bit of a problem here.
What if you go from under here?
Yeah.
there's a bigger space in there.
Maybe. Nope. Let's try that.
No.
I thought, didn't we see what plugs before? I thought there was. I know my car does.
Yeah, that's why I was curious. I was like, is the plug there?
I don't see any.
Yeah. I kind of feel like there was, but
Unless they have them tucked or something.
yeah, maybe not.
No, I don't know. I was generally curious.
I know.
And everything. Though.
Yeah.
Well, and they give you the pigtails for the which it might must not at all because they I got the factory lights and they give you pigtails with them, so.
Yeah. Yeah, pigtails, not just.
I know I was kind
So the harness must be there then. Or, I mean, if they give you, I don't know, that's weird.
Yeah, I know there's like a factory kind of wiring kit.
You're getting hung up on that hose.
Yeah.
That's what's in your way. What if
Get in there. Yeah.
it's in?
Take this off as a whole and just slap it on. Maybe.
Wow.
Instant
It is such an upgrade.
statement. Oh, absolutely. That looks a million times better than some just dummy plug that's not supposed to be there.
Look at that. It looks very goofy though.
Yeah.
Look at, whoa, whoa. Totally enhances the vehicle. It's gonna be the coolest soul there ever was.
So, yeah, I still gotta wire it up, which I'm not going with the factory procedure because it costs way too much money just for some fog lights. They want you to, put this whole harness in and change out the turn signal switch, which, the new one has the, button in it for the fog lights, which we'll just bypass that all, keep it cheap. Cannot see spending, $500 to have fog lights. That's a little silly.
No, don't want that.
Should just put them in all from the factory.
This was the base model, so it came with absolutely
I know.
nothing.
And it's options, you know. You tack on all those options. I mean, it could, you know, come out to like 10 grand all said and done.
Right, right.
You know, it's like the heated seats, the this, the that. You know. And yeah, it's nice, but I pay for it. I don't know. I feel like if I was gonna buy a brand new car, though, like I would get all the options. I mean, what's 10 grand over, 10 years worth of having something, if not longer. I mean, if I bought brand new, I'd have it for 20 years. So
Yeah.
I would definitely go for all the bells and whistles.
Well, this is her 10th birthday coming up. Had her since she was brand new. I was the only person to drive this car.
I've driven it.
No, when
I know,
I
know.
was on the lot, it had 0 miles.
Yeah.
I was the only person to test drive it. And I do love this Kia. I know everybody hates Kia. They have a bad name, and the engine is garbage. And it burns a ton of oil. But it's been a really good car. And we're only making it better
That's right.
and cooler. It looks like an off-road vehicle now with these tires and the lights and the rock lights and the roof rack.
This last one's gonna be a pain. Easier. Sometimes it's easier just to go, take more stuff off.
I already had to do the bumper. He got his whole arm stuck in there.
I don't know. We always try to take least amount of stuff off as possible, but sometimes you just gotta get in there. Sometimes hopefully it'll come out. Okay,
It'll probably be easier with this off so you can wire it too, right?
yeah.
So as an instructional video, take the whole bottom panel off.
Yeah, save yourself some time.
Trying to get through he got his whole hand stuck in there and couldn't get out.
Years now, going strong. Yeah.
Time. That's the pigtail. You can see here, show the light.
Well, this one.
We're not gonna film that one. So just this. So there's 3 screws that needed to get mounted in there. He had to take the panel off, and then now he's got it mounted in. So we're gonna put the other one in, and then we will come
Wire
back
it up.
with the wiring when he starts working on that.
Yep. So then on this other side, actually the air box is in the way.
Oh, good.
So.
So for the 14 Soul fog light install, I mean,
Yeah.
everything kind of has to come off because now this side has the air box in the way. That
Yeah,
side has the
that's
washer bottle in the way.
Loosen up all the same stuff, inner fender liner, and I have to take that lower portion of the intake out of the way just so we can gain a little access. But who knows? Might be able to sneak it in there. We're gonna try.
So what you doing there, Shawnzy?
Alrighty, so we got the other light installed. I found
Expertly installed.
expertly installed. I found a good little place to put a ground. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna fill a common
Oh, there's a screw up there. Okay.
common ground space here.
Show that off. There we go.
Yeah. So. So yeah, I'm like I said, I'm just gonna wire this all in myself. I don't need no harness.
I don't need no harness.
No harness. Make my own. Yeah, it's pretty basic if you know what you're doing. I'm gonna end up just wiring in a relay, so I'll give them both a common ground here. That'll be easy peasy.
So, look at that, I don't have a front license plate anymore.
Does that look so much better?
It does look a lot better.
Oh, I know. It's just
Wow!
like as soon as
He
as
took
that
the
thing
license
get
plate
rid of it,
off.
it's like, get rid of it, man. Yeah, so we made it this far. We got them installed. We got the wiring halfway done. At this point, I'm just holding the positive on the battery just to turn them on. I already got them grounded down there, and then I got this wire running up, and I'm gonna actually just wire those off of the parking lights. So when you put the parking lights on or the headlights, the fog lights come on automatically. So no extra switches or parts or anything else. So keep it cheap, keep it simple. And who wouldn't want their fog lights on all the time? I mean, I would. So.
But look how good it looks. Like,
Yeah, I mean, it did make a
huge difference.
huge difference. And then we took the front license plate off too, because that just looked terrible, and we don't need them in Ohio anymore. So
Whew. She's looking good.
one last thing. So I could finish it up tonight, but I know Holly's got special dinner plans for us, so I just want to get out here early.
Mm-hmm.
We're having a fancy Japanese dinner night, so
Super excited.
it's gonna be good.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll catch you guys for part 2. We'll get this all finished up, and then we'll make sure they're aimed properly, so they're not blinding people. They don't look goofy. So
But they look so nice.
So.
Really like the way it looks.
all right,
Cool
we'll
beans.
catch you in a little bit. Thanks.
Oh, got them frolicky feet going.
Fancy.
Mm-hmm.